Guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today we are going to review a new cot that I got. It's by One Tigris, so stay tuned. So I know last time, a few months ago, I showed you guys a cot that I got from Walmart. A few of you guys bought the cot. I had to retire it, and I'll tell you why. It's because I have a bad back. I have a disc missing, and I'm getting older too. And I found it very difficult to try to get up off of 2 inches on the ground. So I went and got another cot. And I got the One Tigris cot. And it does lift you. You have the option of going up another 4 inches, so it's just like swinging your legs right over and getting out. So when I used the other cot, there was days that my back hurt, so had to do what I had to do. I am not sponsored by One Tigris. I did purchase this myself, so I'll go through it with you. I'm doing this on the table because it's muddy and there's a bunch of scat out there, so that I'll show you what pieces you get and how to put it together. So here's a few specs on the product. The material is a 420D Oxford fabric cloth. The support bars and legs are 70-75 aluminum alloyed. The dimensions is 6.2 feet. The height is 1.2 feet. That's with the extenders, or 0.56 without. The item weight is 8.5 pounds and the load capacity is 330 pounds. So the first thing is this carrying bag. This is awesome because actually it's one of the first carrying bags that actually fit everything in there and zips right up. The only thing is kind of intimidating is it does have a lot of pieces. These are the leg extenders. And as you can see, the leg extenders do go up very high. I have a good back now. And it comes with these are the regular sized legs right here, which you still use these and you put these on it. So it does take a little bit to put together, but it's quite worth it. These are the poles that go on each end, of course, to stretch it. Yeah, I was a little intimidated when I saw all of these poles and all this stuff, but I did test it out at home, and wow, it is very comfortable. And believe it or not, it doesn't take all day to do it. So it was the first time doing it, stretching it. The cot is kind of tight. Everything actually fits in this bag. It's amazing. And this is the cot itself. So I am going to just put it together because it is wet out here and I don't want to get it wet because I am going to sleep on it. I got cat hair on it. Darn kitty. We're going to fast forward this while I put it together so you guys sit here looking at every single little step. I boo-booed. I actually put the leg extenders on backward, so I had to do all that off camera. So these are the regular legs. You're just going to put them all in, lock them in. Okay, so here we go. All fit, put together. You can kind of see how high up it is. So this is perfect for a person with a bad back. So it's very taut, and this leg extenders are awesome. So I'll put a link to where I purchased it at. I did get it from Amazon. I'm not going to say that it's cheap, because it's not. But for me and a bad back and getting old, it's well worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.